All right. It's time for Mad Science Monday here on Living Oklahoma.
That's right. We know it has been hot lately, so our favorite mad scientists are helping us beat the heat old school style.
Yeah, let's check in with Chief Meteorologist Jeff George to fill us in on how we check.
Good morning, everybody. We're going to fill you full of so much science today, you're not even going to know what to do with it. So joining me is Professor Mad and Professor Miles. And Professor Mad, the only thing that may be cooler than Professor Miles is a big chunk of ice, and that's what you have. What are you going to do with that?
That's right. That's exactly right. Yeah. What do you think?
Why is there ice here?
See, he's even wondering. Okay. Jeremy, what do you think? Yeah, Jeremy's not saying anything, just sitting over there with a pen. Okay. Think about this. Think back to your grandparents, no, your great-grandparents' days, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now, I know this is going to come as a shock to you, but did you know that they probably did not have air conditioning in their home?
Wait, what?
No air conditioning. Air conditioning, like the internet, not as much as the internet, but air conditioning is a relatively new idea.
Oh.
So this is what my grandparents did. Probably your great-grandparents are further back because I'm a little bit older than you.
Mm-hmm.
This is what they did to keep cool. They called it air cooling. Now, Jeremy was kind enough to bring us a fan, so go ahead and grab that fan from Jeremy. That's why he brought it.
I need to
okay,
follow this.
just pull it up
Thank
there,
you.
yeah.
Go.
He didn't want to let go of it. Okay, now go ahead and turn the fan on. Little button on the side there. And kind of point, does it cool you off?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit, right, okay. Well, watch, let me see this. Now, watch this. Does that cool you off more?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot more, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is what they did back in the old days. Take a big chunk of ice, set it in a bucket, and put a fan over it, and then blew that air across the ice. Now, this is why that would work. Here, you go ahead and play with it. This is why that would work. And the main reason is the air around the ice is getting cool as well. Temperature has everything to do with it. If the ice is cold, then it cools off the air around it, and then the fan blows that cool air towards you. And as we know, cooler air falls lower and warmer air goes higher. So as it was doing that, it would push the warmer air up out of the way in the room and actually cool off the whole room. And that's the way they would do it. It wouldn't be little piece of ice like this. I can remember seeing my great-grandfather. He would get a big block of ice when we would go fishing or go on a picnic or something, and then sometimes they would do this and have that fan blow across it, and they called it air cooling, which for us is just like air conditioning. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
And that's the way you can stay warm. You could even do this on a picnic if you had a fan there and just blow it across the ice chest.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
That is super cool, professors. And we've done a lot of cool segments before, but I got to say, that was definitely the coolest or the coldest. So,
That's the coolest.
yeah. So make sure you join us next time, because can it be more fun than this?
Yep.
The answer is yes. Tune in next time for more Mad Science fun, and we'll show you.
We'll be back on Friday for a Mad Science finale, and again next Monday at 9:45 a.m. with another Mad Science Monday.
Yeah, so be sure to set your DVRs because you do not want to miss all of these great experiments you can do with your family.